How to get a discount in SmartShort AI. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and log in into your SmartShort account. After login, click here on pricing. You can see we have 3 different plans. You can compare all the benefits and select any plan. On the top, if you select monthly, there are no discounts, but if you select yearly, you will get some extra discounts and we can get even more by using a coupon code. As expert plan is the most popular, I will select it and click on start now. Here, you will get the option to add a discount code. Click on it and type POP10 and click apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount on top of the yearly discounts that we already received. After you get this discount, you can go ahead and complete the payment. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use SmartShort AI, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.